Living in a small space doesn't mean you have to sacrifice comfort or style. These clever Amazon gadgets are designed to help you maximize every inch, keeping things tidy, functional, and surprisingly cozy. From space-saving storage to smart everyday tools, they make small living feel big on convenience. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Imagine drying your hair without holding a thing. This wall-mounted hairdryer bracket frees your hands while you style, apply a face mask, or even groom your pet. The adjustable arm lets you aim the dryer exactly where you need it. It installs easily without punching holes and can hold most hairdryers securely. Stylish gold and practical design keeps cords organized and adds a chic touch to your bathroom. Turn any corner of your home into a personal spa. This portable bathtub heats water to your ideal temperature between 30 and 42 degrees Celsius and keeps it perfectly warm the whole time. It filters and purifies the water as it fills, so every soak feels clean and refreshing. When you're done, it folds up in seconds to save space, perfect for small apartments or travel. With its hooded cover to trap steam, you can enjoy deep relaxation, muscle relief, and spa-like comfort anytime you want. Stop tripping over shoes and reclaim your floor space. This 12-tier over-the-door organizer holds up to 36 pairs, from sneakers to heels, keeping everything visible and tidy. The sturdy metal frame with breathable mesh keeps shoes secure and fresh. Hang it on any standard door, no drilling needed, or mount it on a wall. Beyond shoes, it's perfect for hats, scarves, or small accessories, making your home instantly more organized. Turn wasted underbed space into instant storage. These rolling bins glide smoothly on 360-degree wheels, so you can slide them out without lifting a finger. Made with sturdy fabric and a strong metal frame, each holds up to 66 pounds of clothes, shoes, toys, or blankets. Clear windows and labels make finding what you need quick and easy. When not in use, they fold flat, keeping your space neat and organized. Spice up your kitchen and keep everything within reach. These 8 magnetic tins stick to any metal surface, so your favorite herbs and seasonings are always at hand. Each tin has a clear window to see what's inside, and 2 types of pour openings for easy use. Strong magnets keep them secure, while the included labels make organizing simple. Stylish, practical, and perfect for a clutter-free cooking space. Meet the ultimate chill spot you can take anywhere. This inflatable lounge chair with a matching footrest lets you stretch out, sink in, and relax in total comfort. The soft flock top feels like suede, while the sturdy PVC bottom keeps it tough and durable. It inflates in minutes and folds down flat when not in use. Perfect for movie nights, camping trips, or lazy weekends indoors. Toast your bread exactly the way you like it without hogging countertop space. This slim 2-slice toaster fits anywhere and handles thick slices, bagels, or artisan bread with ease. 6 shade settings let you go from lightly golden to extra crispy, and the cancel button stops toasting anytime. A high lift lever keeps your fingers safe, and the removable crumb tray makes cleanup a breeze. Who says relaxation can't look dramatic? This flame-style essential oil diffuser creates the illusion of a cozy, flickering fire while filling your space with soothing scents. It works as a diffuser, humidifier, and nightlight all in one. Ultra quiet at just 25 decibels, it runs peacefully while you rest. When the water runs out, it shuts off automatically. Safe, stylish, and effortlessly calming. Music in the shower? Yes, please. This mini Bluetooth speaker sticks right to your wall with a strong suction cup and pumps out surprisingly rich sound while you sing your heart out. It's water resistant, so splashes are no problem, and the colorful LED lights set the perfect vibe. You can even answer calls hands-free thanks to the built-in microphone. Take it anywhere: bathroom, pool, or a lazy river float. Sometimes the smallest accents make the biggest difference, like this hurricane-style candle holder. The mix of glass, metal, and decorative stones creates an elegant glow that instantly elevates any dining table or coffee nook. It's easy to assemble, stable enough for pillar candles, and doubles as a cozy statement piece for dinners, celebrations, or quiet nights in. Simple, stylish, and effortlessly classy. Closet packed to the brim? These multi-layer hangers are about to change that. Each one holds multiple pairs of pants, scarves, or skirts without hogging space. The open-ended design makes grabbing clothes super easy, while the non-slip clips keep everything in place. Whether you hang them vertically or horizontally, these hangers instantly turn clutter into order. Small change, big difference. No room for a side table? No problem. This clever bamboo arm tray clips right onto your couch, giving you a sturdy spot for snacks, drinks, or your phone, all within easy reach. The foldable design grips securely to most armrests, staying steady while you relax. It even comes with a 360-degree phone holder, so you can stream hands-free. Sleek, simple, and perfect for small spaces or cozy nights in. One cube, endless possibilities. This clever 5-in-1 seating cube hides 4 mini stools inside, ready to roll out whenever you need extra seats. Use it as a footrest, makeup chair, or side table. It adapts to any space. The smooth PU leather is waterproof and easy to wipe clean, while swivel casters make moving it effortless. Compact, modern, and surprisingly functional for small apartments. Why choose between a chair, recliner, or bed when you can have all 3 in one? This convertible sleeper chair easily transforms from a cozy seat to a relaxing lounger, or a single bed with just a pull and a flip. The plush chenille fabric feels soft yet durable, and the high-density foam keeps you comfy for hours. Smooth wheels and a hidden strap make conversion effortless. Compact, versatile, and perfect for small spaces. This bed isn't just for sleeping, it's a full-on upgrade for your room. Built with a sleek metal frame, it features 2 tiers of headboard storage for your nighttime essentials and extra space underneath for boxes or bags. The built-in LED lights let you set the perfect vibe, from calm to colorful. Plus, it has USB and Type-C ports to charge your devices right beside you. Strong, quiet, and effortlessly modern. Cleaning day just got an upgrade. This cordless electric scrubber does the hard scrubbing for you. No bending, no sore arms. With 2 speed settings and 8 interchangeable brush heads, it tackles everything from tile grout to car rims with ease. The adjustable handle reaches high spots and tight corners without effort. Fully charged, it runs up to 90 minutes. Enough power to make your whole home sparkle. It's a mirror, a jewelry box, and a touch of luxury, all in one. This wall-mounted cabinet hides a full jewelry organizer behind its sleek, rounded mirror front. Open it up, and soft LED lights illuminate your collection so you can pick the perfect piece with ease. There's room for every necklace, ring, and bracelet, plus a smaller mirror inside for quick touch-ups. Elegant, secure, and effortlessly space-saving. Say goodbye to digging through dark, messy cabinets. This expandable pull-out organizer slides smoothly forward, bringing every pot, pan, and spice right to you. Its adjustable width fits snugly into different cabinet sizes, and the smart raising pads work perfectly with framed cabinets. Built with triple slide rails, it glides quietly even under heavy loads. Best part? It installs in minutes. No tools, no drilling, no stress. Meet the bed that does it all. This smart hydraulic bed lifts effortlessly to reveal hidden storage underneath. Perfect for keeping your room neat and organized. Built-in shelves hold your essentials close by, while colorful RGB lights along the headboard and footboard set the mood with customizable brightness and effects. You can even charge your devices right from the headboard or secure valuables in the hidden safe box. With its sturdy steel frame, quiet design, and projector-ready top mount, it's where comfort meets modern innovation. Reading just got a whole lot easier. This smart pen scans any line of text and reads it aloud instantly, perfect for students or anyone with reading difficulties. You can adjust the reading speed, choose between accents, and even translate text into over 100 languages on the spot. The built-in camera captures photos for quick translations too. Lightweight, Bluetooth-enabled, and ready to turn words into sound wherever you are. Typing on the go just got way easier. This foldable Bluetooth keyboard unfolds into a full-size layout, giving you that comfortable desktop feel anywhere. It even has a built-in touchpad, so you can navigate without reaching for a mouse. The rechargeable battery lasts for days, and it connects instantly to your phone, tablet, or laptop. When you're done, just fold it up and slip it into your pocket, ready for your next move. Laundry on the go just got smarter. This portable washing machine packs a powerful 4,000 milliamp-hour battery and a bright touchscreen so you can wash clothes anywhere, anytime. Choose between a quick 5-minute rinse or a deeper 15-minute clean, powered by a high-speed motor that spins at 2,000 RPM. It's splash-proof, compact, and perfect for travel or camping. With gentle hand wash motion and blue light sterilization, your baby clothes, socks, and delicates come out fresh, clean, and hygienic every time. Your monitor deserves more than a basic stand. It deserves freedom. This heavy-duty arm holds even massive ultra-wide screens with ease while keeping your setup clean and clutter-free. You can tilt, swivel, and rotate your display until it's right where you want it. The tall pole raises your screen to eye level, easing neck strain. Your lighting doesn't just have to brighten the room, it can set the mood. This SmartTable Lamp fills your space with millions of colors, blending smoothly to create stunning gradients that shift and flow. You can dim, brighten, or change the vibe right from your phone, or even with your voice. Want cozy, calm, or party-ready light? It adjusts in seconds to match your moment. Smart, sleek, and endlessly creative.